out the seam a lot of times fails, and then your pump seals will get dry and brittle and rot out and start to leak too. But that's what one in good shape looks like. And again, I saved that bracket on it. 3 10mm bolts is all it was. Alright, so the car is the 1988 to 1991 Honda Civic Wagon, but 4-door CRX hatchback should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. Windshield washer reservoir. So yeah, holds the fluid. Wagons, CRXs, have a rear pump. Some models just have one pump and this other one is dummied off. So they're somewhat interchangeable. If you ended up with this pump and didn't need a rear pump, it would just clap off that line and you'd be fine. You can pull it here, but I just pulled the bracket. Oh. Makes it a little easier to fish out of here. There's one relay in our way that's a 10mm bolt also, same as that other side. So again, I'm assuming we're getting ready to say paint this vehicle. So we're pulling everything. And then here's the last little 10mm for the... And so then these hoses I cut down. This should all be replaced. If you're going through this shit is brittle and they sell it by the foot at Honda. So while it starts to look like that and gets messy, as you're taking this out, take the time and put all new line in and you'll never have an issue down the road. Well, not never, but at least for the next 30 years, you know. And these could go another 20 years, but that's, you know, like I said. These look nice. On a lot of rigs, they look worse. And of course, the pumps have power to them, so they'll pop these two last little plugs. Most of the fluids we don't want to go on the ground, but washer fluid kind of cleans up our mess for us behind us. So I'd say it's perfectly kind of fine to let the washer fluid leak wherever. But yeah, that's that. You're checking out the seam a lot of times fails, and then your pump seals will get dry and brittle and rot out and start to leak too. But that's what one in good shape looks like. And again, I saved that bracket on it. 3 10mm bolts is all it was.